Hey, first grade. Let's go ahead and get started on pathway spelling today. Today, the objective is I can spell words with double final consonants. So, we said that double means two, final is at the end of a word, and a consonant are all the letters that are not vowels. So, before we start, let's go ahead and look at those vowels on Vowel Town. So, you can say them with me. Oh no, actually, how about I don't say them and you just you say them, okay? Ready, go. So if you were not able to say the sounds on Vowel Town, go ahead and go back to Monday or Tuesday's video so that you can hear Miss Smith saying the sounds on Vowel Town and you can practice saying them with Miss Smith. And then you come back to today's video so that you can know how to say them. Make sure that you're practicing saying Vowel Town every day and then also flipping it over to the back and practicing writing the sounds on Vowel Town as well. All right, and so today let's look at some of our spelling words that had those double final consonants. Before we work in our Screech book, go ahead and pull out a whiteboard, a marker, and an eraser so we can play this game. All right, a whiteboard, a marker, and an eraser. Miss Smith does not have a whiteboard with her, but I'm just gonna write my words on right here. You write yours on the whiteboard, okay? So I'm going to roll the dice. Let's see what number we land on. What is that? 4. So what word do we have here for number 4? Sniff. What are the double final consonants at the end of sniff? The F, F. And what does it say? F. So the word sniff is spelled S, N, I, and then 2 F's. F, F. Sniff. All right, let's roll the dice again and see what we get. What is that number? 5. For number 5, it's the word off. Let's write the word off. Ah, ah, ah. O, F, F. Off. Cool. All right, let's roll the dice again. Make sure you're writing these words on your whiteboard. I see the number 2. Let's go ahead and look for number 2. And what's that word? Say the sounds. P, A, S, as, pass. Please pass the peas. Pass. Pass. Write the word pass on your whiteboard. Let's roll the dice, and I got a 3 this time. What word is that? Sp, e, o. Sp, e, o. Spell. Spell the word spell. S, e, o. Spell. Let's do it a few more times, okay? 4 again. What was number 4? That was the word sniff. Write the word sniff on your whiteboard. It has 2 F's at the end. 4 again. What? Write the word sniff again. S, n, I, f. 2 F's. I better not get a 4 again. Let's see. Oh, cool. 6. We haven't got a 6 yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, that's one of our screech words. That's the word call. Remember, in the word call, we see the sight word A-L-L. What's that word? All. Right. Because if you know the word call, you can take off the k and put the w. What's the word? Wall. Take off the w and put the t sound. What's the word? Tall. All right. Let's roll the dice and do it like 2 more times. 2. And for the number 2, it's the word pass. Write the word pass on your whiteboard. P-A-S. Pass. And I hope we get a number 1. Ah, cool. We got the number 1. And number 1 is the word will. Let's write the word will. W-I-L. Will. All right. Go ahead and just write all the words one more time on your whiteboard. So pause the video and write all the words. And then let's move on. So we are going to get our Screech and Me book out now. Remember, we are on lesson 7, day 3. And so we should be on that page right there. And let's see, we just finished page 18 yesterday. So today we're on page 19. All right, so on page 19, looks like this. So we are going to be circling the spelling words at the top. So there's those sentences again. Dad must not miss his call. Circle the spelling words. Which small pup will Bill get? Circle the spelling words. And then come down here to the middle. So go ahead and pause the video until you finish circling the spelling words. Now here in the middle, Dad must not miss his call. We've read this sentence like 4 times already this week. We know that there's a lot of things messed up with this sentence right here, the way they wrote it. The first thing I noticed is that they've got these giant finger spaces, like they must use their thumb or something to make a space. Now, I see 3 more mistakes in this sentence. One of the mistakes has to do with a capital letter. 2 of the mistakes are words that are spelled wrong. Find the things that are wrong in this sentence, cross it out, and then write the sentence neatly here on the line, the correct way. At the bottom of page 19, it says, when I sniff, I smell, Ooh, Miss Smith just made some cookies the other day, and I can still smell them. So when I sniff, I smell snickerdoodle cookies. Snicker-doodle cookies. Period. And then I'm going to add another sentence, and it's going to say, they smell, there's one of our spelling words, sweet and yummy. And I'm going to put an exclamation mark at the end of that. So my whole thing says, when I sniff, I smell snickerdoodle cookies. They smell sweet and yummy. Now guess what? When I look at your work on Seesaw, you should not have this sentence because you did not just bake snickerdoodle cookies. I know you didn't. Okay? So go ahead and tell me, write your own sentence, okay? It could be a made-up sentence. Just make sure you don't make up my sentence, what I wrote. Make up your own sentence and write it on the lines. Then add another sentence so you have 2 sentences down here. Now we're on page 20. And on page 20, we are going to find the words that are spelled correctly. So for number 1, let's just look at number 1. It helps when I kind of cover up the rest of them. I'm looking for the spelling word that they are trying to make. Well is a real word, but it's not one of our spelling words this week. Will. Hey, that's that first word right there. I think that's my answer, but let me look and see. I'll. That's not even how you spell while. Will. Well, that's will, but it only has one L. So the only word that's spelled right is B. Will. Then go on to number 2. Kind of looks like they're trying to spell sniff, right? Because they only put one F right there. But we know sniff has 2 F's. Sniff. No, that's not it. Sniff. Oh, PH does say the F sound. But no, that's not how you spell sniff. Sniff. There it is. D. All right, so go ahead and take your time and do all the way till number 8. Find the word that is spelled correctly. Then you're going to take a picture of page 19 and page 20 and put it on Seesaw. All right, first grade. I'll see you later. Bye.